Okay, welcome back guys. We're going to be solving another question from chapter 3 of Meriam textbook, and we have the mass center G of the 1400 kilogram rear engine car is located as shown in the figure, and we need to determine the normal force under each tire when the car is in equilibrium, and we have to state any assumptions that we have. So first of all, we have two normal forces. If we want to start with the free body diagram, we have normal forces at the front wheel and rear wheels. We can show them with the front one, we can show it their normal force as NF, and the ones in the back NR. And obviously there are two tires in the front and two in the back, so we're gonna do two, since in the question we need to find the force under each tire. We need some assumptions in this question since there would be friction between the tires and the ground, but for this question we're going to assume that there is no friction, and that way we can use our equilibrium equation where we have the sum of all forces equals 0, and we have the same thing for the moment. So the only other force that we have in here is the weight of this car, which from the question is 14 kilograms. So if we want to find the force or the weight, we have to do mass times g, and g would be acceleration of gravity, which is 9.81 meter per square second. So basically we have to do 1400 times 9.81 in order to get our force or our weight in. So we can start with the moment equation, and if we find the moment about, let's call the front ones point F and the back ones point R. So if we do the sum of all moments about point F, we can cancel out one of the unknowns and we can find the NR. So obviously we have the moment of the two NR counterclockwise, so we have a positive moment at the distance that we have is 1386 plus 964, and we also have the moment of the weight, which is a clockwise moment, so we have a negative sign, so the force was 14 times 9.81, and the distance that we have in here is what we have from here to here, which is 1386 is equal to 0, and from here we can find our NR, or the normal force under the rear wheels. So here we basically have 1400 times 9.81, 1386 divided by 2 times 1386 plus 964, which will be 2350. And if we calculate this, we'll get 4050 Newton for NR. So we found one of the unknowns, and the other unknown that we have in here is the NF. We can go with sum of all forces in y direction, and let's call this our positive direction for y. So basically we have 2NF minus the weight of the car, which was 9.81, and since we have 2NR, which was 450, negative sign, and from here we can find NF, which will be 2820 Newton, and that would be the normal force in the front wheel. So obviously we didn't start with Fy at the beginning because we have two unknowns in here, and the best option for us is by going with moment equation, and it makes sense to go about point R or F in order to cancel out one of the unknowns that we have. Really doesn't matter which one. We went with F, but it would have been the same if we go with point R2. So yeah, that's pretty much everything for this one. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like and comment. It's going to help me to reach out to more students. And you guys take care. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.